So when I was first brainstorming the design, I originally wanted to look like an actual ice cream cone. But thinking about the environment I was going to be in, I changed direction and went with something a little more stylish, fun, and flirty. I wanted to make an outfit that can be worn again separately or together. When picking out the fabric, I went with lavender instead of pink, simply because I wanted to complement the exhibits and not blend in with them. It was a labor of love since I've never sewn ruffles, but I kept at it, tweaked it slowly, and the finished product is really something I love and complements the body beautifully. Hey guys, I hope you all really enjoyed the video. I just had the best time at the ice cream museum and I had to share the whole experience with you, even creating an outfit for it. Sometimes I like to go a little crazy with my outfits, but this time I just kind of wanted to blend in with the place, bring in a little Miami spice, you know, with the frills and the ruffles. And I thought it came out so nice, so I wanted to share it with you all. Let me know your favorite flavor in the comments down below. Mine would have to be, I like cookies and cream. I like small pints of dulce de leche, but my ultimate flavor combination would be vanilla, brownies, and caramel. That is what I like to order at Cold Stone. Yeah, that's its name. Alrighty, so thanks so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed, feel free to subscribe right over here. And if not, if you want to just check out my other videos before you make that deep commitment to subscribe, it's not a commitment, then you can watch the videos right over here. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!